Kenapen purun pho mate pho tokbor phaiwe lockdown pangjeng ponthupo. Chinthong constituency along kibipon quarantine aboha along KAAC EM Prodip Rongpi kahumridang. MP Horen Singh be langpen kisung ke pho arara tumaphan sanghan akerap kipidam. Karbi Anglong live kilang aradona phan nilhin penari kang sama kardom pajirek lo kardom. Nili birta thanang phi sami juli bepi nonar joik tha birtang ton pen. 4.0 mate pli tokpor phaiwe lockdown pinimi jolo por phai krehini anote jutponpo. Bonta COVID-19 akeso kelonga phai nangke bat bomajok puthot 5.0 mate pho tokbor phaiwe purun pho det pi kangkir jiaphan central sarkar atompen pangdak ponsi kebangji wosik ni phai thom keban pabat ponthulo. Wosik ni phai ECR ni pen ni phai thong kebar ni an mate chekloi jona pharman bangso det pi adang kangkir kapabat ponthualong akimi arona tang pensi pado ponthupo. Bangso akimi aronalong Ministry of Home Affairs pen kapaklang pona teng pen containment zone bai kang pen angtan malom kidoan chojor chulang adi malong an Health Ministry ahukuma teng pen si ingpupon long choji. Halapu phase 1 along adhorong tin kardom hemate church mandir masjid pendanglo hotel restaurants lapen kaprek se kachilang awar site lapen shopping mall do anta kewangji wosig ni phainer ke parni pen ke ingpupon longpo. Phase 2 along kapangdak ponthua tengke school college seke kipiadim coaching institution bangke state sarkar mate union territory kachari lo chari osomar api apo lapen school kalana tumpen chingwai chingsai pensi jakhonga chikluang bong puthot ingpu ponthupo phurun pho kangki rahut ajo porphai sirke pen ada porphai pho an curfew paduponpo lapen curfew sek under section 144 CRPC sitami dupo. Containment zone angkang along wosik ni phaithom kep arnian ingkir ponpo. Halapu arta ke domuchot mate ningkan rokebra pho atum oso chopathi bom asar pimar lapen ningkan kepen aber osomara tumaphan okpran sekelang lapen kenang soravete hem kachedo joyjia phansi pachini pon. News X report Karbi Anglong live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pen kachaparai pon ateng pen a constituency tin alongta angtan kachongda dam pen kebang atumaphan quarantine kapadupon jiaphan aboha sik pinang po ateng pen Chinthong constituency alongta Umlapher ME school along quarantine aboha pathiponlo. Chinthong constituency angkangarlo kibipon Umlapher ME school quarantine aboha along kesang atumdo anta thangka siksa kabede jiaphan pini KAAC EM Prodip Rongpi adimalong an humridam. Kahumrida mahun quarantine aboha along ke doatum aja kacha pahelo nangji lapen ke doatum aphan akedo ke thak nangji aronatang pathir thip nangji atheke lada ke doatum anke heloving kachongdar along pensi wangji lasi Chinthong constituency angkangarlo mate Karbi Anglong along bangso COVID-19 ake so pangdang de je aphan ke bangatum aphan ke do kachapaning ding dunji aphan si ahema soratum pen than pare dunangji pusi EM Prodip Rongpi pen than tekang. Bangso kahumrida mahut BDO Suraj D Sangma VDC Chairman Khorsing Senar Chinthong BJP Mondal Maipu Joy Singh Bongrung Block JE Dorsing Kramsa Pendanglo ki ong tungatum cherap chetudon. Kumarne abangpu abangpi kopai kelang nopen bangso ke solong lok pulote prabjin pen sorkar aphan pachini nangji lapen bangso quarantine aboha along tebok terai arada tum setami cherap chetudon nangji pusi EM Prodip Rongpi pen radaphan chuning ritika. Ulukun Chipen Hemari Rongphar Karbi Anglong live. Tangte normalam so dihina mo phan bir dang ton ponik sina. Protect your pigs from African swine fever. African swine fever is a viral disease of both domestic and wild pigs which spreads quickly and kills most of the infected pigs. Humans are not affected by African swine fever. Sign and symptom: high fever, loss of appetite, depression, weakness, red, blotchy skin or skin lesions, vomiting, diarrhea, coughing or difficulty breathing, abortion, and sudden death. Prevention. No treatment and vaccine for African swine fever. Stop entry of visitors. Don't visit infected areas. Keep the pigs in enclosure. Separate the sick animals. Do not leave food in areas accessible to wild pigs. Dead animals should be buried scientifically. Use bleaching powder about 10 to 15 gram or liter for regular cleaning. Use potash for food bath and 0.01% solution, 1 gram or 10 liter for spray inside sty. Keep in constant touch with nearest veterinary doctor. For more information, contact District Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Office, Karbi Anglong Depot at 8790-536892 or 700-280-3658. MS Punctual Stationery. Just step in once and feel the difference. MS Punctual Stationery at Rongkhelan, Dipu Manja Road, near Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Dipu, Karbi Anglong. Where you will get all things available like groceries, beverages, and personal care items. Here you will also get necessary household items like electrical items, gift items, mixer grinder, table fan, ceiling fan, rice cooker, and many more. Shop to the fullest and get 5% discount on stationery items and 10% discount on household items. Dihinamo Piputhot Birtar Jutwiglona. Socheng Dhenta constituency Arlo, Rong Troxy, Kidukela Aratumaphan, local MEC and Parta, KAAC EM Kache Rompipi Chithurdun Plutsi, Ake Joypen, Sanghan, Lapen Sanitizer, Akerap Kipidam. Pini Aru ni Pai Thongkebra isi arni Socheng Dhenta constituency Kaparlo, Klengbe, Borjuri, Salona, Panimara, Chengduba, Bahon Lapen Balijuri Arongalong, local MEC, KAAC EM Kache Rompipi, Amithang Chithurdun Plutsi, Corona Avur Pen Ajok, Depi Kankir Klagasek, Arnivang Thenghan Kachojor Lapen, Kachongda Chot, Kidu Kelak Parpik Araratumaphan, An Eom Penajok, Akisung, Hupeda Nanjipu, Mathaponsi, Akejoy Pen Sang, Dali, Kichua Jangthu, Ingti Lapen Hand Sanitizer, Akerap, Kipiasai Paduponlo. Kidu Kelak Araraphan, Sanghan Akerap Kipiasai Kedeng Porahut, Socheng Dhenta constituency, BJP, Mondol Committee Akong Chunbang, Komal Singh Teron, Rap Kong Chunbang, Chondro Ronghang, Lapen Rongrop Asaratum Penchenglok, Ki Ongdung Araratumta, Chetodunsi, Kirona Sayalong, Cherap Chetodun. Digonto Teron Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Rongkhang constituency Arlo along Lang Kithe Benajok Kedo Kithak Lapen Kicho Kijun Akisum Kiphonang Don Parohini Sose Araratumaphan MP Horen Singh Be Sanghan Akerap Kibi Pajordam. Kedamtang Aruni Pai Inkora Troxy Arni Kopili Aroy Langkang Bagajok Rongkhang constituency Angkang Jasemet Han Lokrok Hajong Longbui Rupachithi Rongjamir Bhelapara Is Bhelapara Lapen Angpong Rongpen Danglok Penang Anarongke Lang Inglumpon Choklo. Rongkhang constituency Araratum Corona Avur Penajok Kisung Ki Phodunang Chotakali Kopili Aroy Langkang Bak Penajok Kido Kithak Lapen Chotun Chodanga Kisung Chetong Nang Koklo. Bangso Puthak Rongkhang constituency local MEC EM Anparta MP Horen Singh Be Birta Chelong Dunsi Pini Kisung Ki Phodunvek Arong Araratum Along Humri Damsi Ake Joypen Sang Dali Lapen Prek Jam Kenang Sora Hormu Akerap Ki Pipajordam. Lapusona Porahut VDC Chairman Dinen Bordoloi Pendanglok Penang An Kithekiding Araratumta Chetongdun. Lang Penajok Kisung Kipo Araratumaphan Akerap Kipiasai Mesen Pen Pachun Erapi MP Horen Singh Bepen Amithang a constituency Arlo Doloni Penchenglok Prek Jam Arongalong Sorkar Pen Kedeng Bom Kaching Thurasai Kiklem Bom Along Humri Damsi Kelangchari Padodam. Dongkam Mukampen Kabon Militi Sopi Karbi Anglong Live. For SSI Kamalong Inut Master Roll Klembang Longki Derapen Achor Pronoti Kramsapiatum Thengpia Klim Ke Kalanapen Hemtun Kachaparing Jiaphan Kengkam Kachajor Nonakaya Hot Pirthe Ke Hondun Jiaphanta Akisung Dotanglo athe arniwangsi monit nangke chanpen kereng nangjia towar amta chinghabom tanglo setame la suang bong anutin ta kereng jia phanke isona towar chiri ponsi chepareng bomlo komane atumke chongda chotpen kachepareng ye tumta dolo komane atumke beha ka choklen pen kachepareng atumta dolo lapen komane atumke contract asai choklen pen kachepareng atumta dolo lason si pirthe along anutin ta kethegason atowar chiri repsi hemtun chepareng bomlo lason thathaksi longki dera da thengpia klim ke kalana asai klem ponse hemtun kachepareng jia phan towar chirilo longki dera alangli ke inut forest asai kamalo master role klem chodabang phu setame alangli hemtun kachepareng jia phan achor pronati kram sapi pen chelangse forest arlo ama thengpia klim ke kalana asai kereng pensi asu mate hemtun kachepareng jia phan towar chiri ponlo nonomat ke alangli tum arjun chondon ke er siluka haihuarong aklimsi ke kalana padopon bomlo lahai athengpi alangli tum methanga phandet le kache kalana kali forest asai kama pharmanta amethanga khia datpen ke lana pilo kachini duna tengke lahai athengpi thedinglo pulote forest phansi anam ki jompen kahodai jia phan kache sek padopon News Desk report Karbi Anglong Lai Pini Prime Tama Birta ke lapon sikang toniglo do me thakmi ajo kimi